So welcome students, you're asked to find the shortest distance of this plane from this sphere. So if you have a sphere and if you have plane like this, the shortest distance of this plane from the sphere will be equal to the perpendicular distance from this center onto this plane minus the radius of the sphere. So to find that, first let us find the center of the sphere. Is nothing but -2, 1, 3. And the radius of the sphere is root of g square plus f square plus h square, 4 plus 1 plus 9 plus 155. That is equal to root of 169 is 13. So the radius is equal to 13. And finally, you need the perpendicular distance from the center onto this plane. So the perpendicular distance is nothing but, you know, the center. The center is -213. Just need to substitute this in this. So you get mod of -24 plus 4 plus 9 minus 327 by root of 12 square plus 4 square plus 3 square is root 169 is equal to 13. That is equal to 9 plus 4 is 13 minus 24 is minus 11. So you get 338 by 13. So that is equal to, so 13 2s are 26 and you have 78, 6 are 78. So the perpendicular distance is 26. So this whole distance is 26 and this distance is 13. So the shortest distance is nothing but 26 minus 13 is equal to 13 is the answer to this question. Thank you.